This is Tammy with Tammy's Stamping Therapy. I just thought I would come on today and show you what I've been working on. The first thing I want to show you is this little crocheted bow that I made following Janice, who is Jelly Bean Junction, following her tutorial. In every one of her tutorials she does, she says she's not good at making tutorials, but she is. She does a really good job. She goes through it very well. And so this was my first little crocheted bow. Another tutorial of hers that I followed was to make these beautiful flowers with ribbon, satin ribbon. I think they're stunning and they were very easy to make. I just love them. And then, so those were the ones I followed that were Jelly Bean Junction. I've been wanting to make crocheted flowers. So there's some videos I had saved. And this was my first crocheted flower. I did this last night while I was watching TV. And then this one is made with yarn. So these are fun too. I thought these would be good embellishments. I want to put this in I'm doing a binder mail embellishment book for a challenge, and I want to put some of those in there. So I've been working on those. And then I'm participating in Heather's Handmade Haven Adopt a Newbie program. And my adoptee is Donna Wilbur, and she's just a sweetheart. I love her. And the first thing that she and I are going to do is a flat mail swap. And she showed me this little folder that she makes. She has a video showing how to make it, so I'll link that video below. And we're just going to decorate this up and mail it out. It goes as flat mail, so it doesn't cost too much to mail. That's our first one. And then we'll do a couple others during our 3-month term. What else have I been working on? The embellishment binder I was talking about. I wanted to do some of these flowers that I've made before. These are my leftovers. So Thursday. I spent the day stamping, coloring, and die cutting. We'll see how much I can get under there. And I made these flowers. My middle name should be Overboard because I don't ever do anything halfway. So I just kept going and made a lot of flowers. All they need is their glitter. And then they'll be done and I can put them away. So those were a lot of fun. And then also for the embellishment binder, I made a whole bunch of bows. These bows all need some sort of decoration. And again, way more bows than I need, but it was fun to make. I used a couple of different bow dies. I only have a couple. I should get some others because I don't have any of the fancy ones. So this is what I've been working on this weekend in addition to working on my swap for Donna. What are you guys working on? And I'm going to put a link to Jelly Bean's channel because she has some awesome tutorials, and I'm going to put a link to Donna's video where she shows how to make this really cool little folder. So thanks for watching. I hope everyone has an amazing day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.